Building a website for your solar panel cleaning business shouldn't be expensive and it shouldn't be complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your solar panel cleaning business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our markets, solar panel cleaning. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Right, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business name, and our city and our state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes around the platform. The beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images that you'd like to use throughout your website to make it a little bit more personalized. Perhaps you don't offer all these services as well and you want to make it a bit more personalized to your business. Change the services, change the About Me section or About Us section. Tell your customers a little bit of your story, how you got into this industry. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone either to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's go ahead and click on the first section over here. I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And address, physical location. Maybe you are a mobile business, but if you want to put it in a physical location here, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on the address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various links for your social media platforms. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section over here, upload it. You can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames if you want to make edits to it. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you want to change the colors used throughout your MultiSites website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. If you'd like to change the pictures and the photos and the buttons on your MultiSites websites, make it a bit more personalized, click on update section directly underneath the section. And update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's thousands of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a profile on Instagram. And update action is where we can change that button text, the call to action buttons, and where they're linked to. Maybe you take online booking, so you can put a URL here for online booking system. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, maybe with more information on your rates and packages, services, and PDF formats. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on the yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain, we recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your solar energy panel cleaning business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.